Hello everyone. Today is the first day of our 12 days of Christmas craft and we're going to be making the most adorable and cute ornaments. These are the materials and as always I'm listing them all in the description. The first thing to do is to make the fake cupcakes. I'm using this insulated foam and as you can see I did the small ones and also the regular size. The first thing I did, I painted them. I didn't like the yellowish color, so I am making it look more realistic with my khaki paint. But to tell you the truth, you don't really need to because we're gonna be covering it with a make-believe frosty. I am doing this one with white, as you can see, right out of the container, because I don't need to mix it with any color. I also suggest you to put the hanger right away so when it gets hard it will be already attached. Now mixing the yellow and later on I'm going to do the green and the red. Then you can start decorating it. I am using a make-believe cherry that I had, some peppermint candy. I also have these beautiful small candies that I'm going to put on top. And later on also I'm going to show you how also I have these little, they look like gumdrop candy, but they're just little stickers that I found at Walmart. So as you can see, I already put the hanger on this one and I'm going to decorate my green one now. So just have fun decorating them. To tell you the truth, I enjoy this craft so much. It's so colorful and beautiful. These are the candies I have. So I have these little ornaments since I don't know how many years. And this is when I'm using them. I don't give anything away. I save everything. Now the red, very nice color. You just apply it like regular frosting to tell you the truth. It's more or less the same texture. This is a nice craft to do with your kids in a way for them to help you decorate it, but you have to be careful because this material that I'm using, it's not really safe if they touch their eyes. So you see, this is all the ones that I'm doing already, and I'm going to do a couple more. These are the gumdrop candy make believe. I think they look adorable. They really look very realistic. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I'm inspiring you to make some cupcakes to decorate your tree. Until next time, bye bye.